Hello everyone, today we're at Mighty Wash Robinson, Texas. They just opened up 2 days ago. And I'm in my new car. Just got this 2 months ago. So this will be my first time taking it to a car wash and recording it. Unfortunately, no sunroof. Now they're prepping my car. The last time I went to a Mighty Wash, it was exceptional. Blew everything out of the water. Aside from that brush, I'm liking the brush contact. Oh nice, there's people at the end. Looks like they're gonna wipe down my car. Like the last time I went to a Mighty Wash site in Waco. They also had people at the end who wiped down my car. Which added to exceptional results. Oh, my mirror got moved. Oh, thanks. All right, let's see how my car looks. Just a little bit of water left, but we can live with that. Lightly soak the rear end. Just a little water here. And around here. I don't see any dirty rocks. We can live with that. I don't see any dirty residue at all. Easy 10 out of 10. Anyway, thanks for watching, like, comment, and subscribe.